You don't really think about your garage door until it stops working. Maybe it's stuck halfway open on a cold Salt Lake morning. Maybe it slams shut harder than it should. Or maybe it just finally looks like it's time for something new. Either way, if you're looking into garage door installation in Salt Lake City, you're probably realizing there's more to it than just picking a door and calling it good. A properly installed garage door isn't just about curb appeal. It's about safety, insulation, daily reliability, and honestly, peace of mind. Because when it's done right, you don't hear it, you don't think about it, and you don't have to worry every time you hit that opener. And speaking of openers, this is where a lot of people overlook an upgrade that makes a huge difference. A smooth, quiet system with garage door opener installation in Salt Lake City can completely change how your home feels day to day. No grinding noises, no hesitation, no wondering if it's going to work this time. Now, if you're dealing with something more urgent, like a door that won't open or a spring that just snapped, you already know how fast things can go from inconvenient to stressful. That's where emergency garage door repair Salt Lake City becomes critical, not just for convenience, but for security. A garage door that won't close properly leaves more than just your car exposed. And let's talk about springs for a second. They're one of the most important and most dangerous parts of your system. When they wear out, you'll feel it immediately. The door gets heavy, uneven, or stops moving altogether. Getting a proper garage door spring replacement in Salt Lake City isn't something you want to delay or try to patch together. It needs to be done right, safely, and with the correct parts for your specific door. If you're at the stage where you're considering replacing everything, getting a new garage door quote Salt Lake City is the smartest place to start. Not a rough guess, not a ballpark number, an actual quote based on your home, your needs, and how you use your garage every day. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just a door. It's the largest moving part of your home. It's something you rely on multiple times a day. And when it's installed and serviced the right way, it just works. No stress, no noise, no second guessing. So whether you're upgrading, repairing, or dealing with something that just can't wait, make sure it's handled by people who understand what matters: reliability, safety, and doing the job right the first time. Call us right now so we can help close the door on stress for you. 385-200-9203.